The Badjao, sea nomads of the Philippines. Houseboat of Badjao. Hi everyone, today we're diving into the world of Badjao, one of the most fascinating indigenous group in the Philippines. Known as the Gypsies, the Badjao have lived in harmony with the ocean for generations. Let's explore their unique cultures, challenges, and why we should protect their way of life. Here the Badjao fisherman.
Pungasil works only a few hundred metres from shore, scanning the water for shoals of fish before blasting them. Dynamiting doesn't guarantee him a bigger catch than the Lassa family, but it's at least 50 times cheaper than maintaining a motorboat and large net.
At depths of 20 metres, water pressure is up to 3 times of that on the surface, compressing lungs that are already lacking oxygen. These habitual freedivers have mastered the ability to withstand the pressures of staying deep underwater for long periods of time. Jimmy freedives all the way down to the seabed and proceeds to utilize a unique skill of the Badjao. He walks.
Who are the Badjao? The Badjao often refers to a Seamads are an indigenous group primarily found in the southern Philippines, including the Sulu Archipelago, Tawi-Tawi, Zamboanga, and Palawan. Traditionally, they are nomadic seafarers who live on houseboats called lepa-lepa. Their boats allow them to travel across the ocean, making a living through fishing and pearl diving. Their free-diving skills are legendary. They can dive up to 20 meters without any equipment to collect seafoods and pearls. Lepa-Lepa boat and underwater shot of free-diving Badjao. Culture and tradition. The Badjao have a rich culture heritage deeply tied to the sea. They speak various languages, including Sinama, Tausug, and sometimes Tagalog, depending on where they live. Their beliefs are a mix of Islam and animism, which include rituals to honor the spirit of the sea. The Lepa-Lepa boats, often beautifully decorated, are more than just transportation. They are symbol of their maritime identity. The Badjao tradition for their urban festival to their knowledge of the ocean showcase their deep respect for nature. The traditional attire and design of Lepa-Lepa boats. Challenges faced. Fortunately, the Badjao face many challenges in today's world. They are often marginalized, referred to as gypsies, a term that carries discrimination. Overfishing and climate change are depleting the resources they rely on, forcing many to move to land where they struggle to adapt. On land they offer face poverty, limited access to education, and discrimination, making it difficult to preserve their traditional way of life. Environment change and fishing activities. Why preserve their culture? The Badjao's knowledge of the sea is invaluable not just for fishing but for marine conservation. They preserve the incredible diversity of indigenous cultures in the Philippines. Preserving their way of life is important not only for cultural reason, but also to raise sustainability practices for our oceans. Efforts like education program and marine conservation projects can help empower the Badjao while protecting the seas they can call home. Collaborative efforts and happy Badjao's families. Trivia. Here are some fascinating facts about Badjao. Did you know they can navigate the seas without maps using only celestial pattern and wind direction? And their diving skills are remarkable. They can hold their breath under the water for over 3 minutes. These abilities highlight their incredible connection to the ocean. Free diving shot and ocean navigation. Conclusion. The Badjao are unique and versatile, part of the Philippines' cultural tapestry. Their maritime skills and tradition are not only fascinating but also critical for our understanding of sustainability living. Let's celebrate their contribution and work together to protect their heritage and way to life. This is the example of Badjao traditional wedding.
Walang bawal. Gaira.
Tinira ng palangan si kami. Yun kalalakan. Aho. Kulungan. Kulungan. Ano, palangan na kam.
Palangan na. Mas marayo bang di inahalaw? Di. Pangan siya.
So yung nangyayari po sa atin, nagdadala po sila yung dory po para sa babae at saka yung mga pagkain, yung mga delicacies, mga food na kakailanganin para sa newlywed. So dito po pinag-uusapan nila kung okay na po ba sa part ng pamilya ng babae at saka sasabihin po ng pamilya ng lalaki kung tama na yung dinala nila.
Thank you for watching. Let's do our part to preserve the seas and protect the Badjao. Once again, I am Arian Tobias from BSHM 3A.